QIBT is QYSEA's first underwater AI seafloor mapping tool, powered by our proprietary velocity sensor and autonomous navigation system. It delivers precise 2D and 3D terrain maps. Integrated with FIFISH ROVs, QIBT scales seamlessly across hydropower, bridge inspection, offshore energy, and more. Smart path planning, streamlined underwater data collection. In the FIFISH app, set your work zone and tap to create an automated route. The ROV follows the path autonomously, logs every point, and outputs a complete document, no manual piloting, and with maximum coverage. Rapid response one-click seabed mapping. After completing the designated scan route, the FIFISH ROV enables users to generate a simple 2D and 3D terrain map with one click in the QIBT system, ideal for urgent inspections. Layered data views, deeper insight for smarter decisions. Import logs into any industry software to create detailed 2D or 3D maps, color code depths, draw contour lines, and annotate features, providing your team with multi-angle insights. Quick volume metrics, precise data for smarter planning. Export data sets to third-party software to calculate volume, net capacity, surface area, or sediment buildup with a single click. Reliable data delivered fast. QIBT reshapes mapping workflows with precision and efficiency, enabling endless underwater possibilities.